Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to manage multiple accounts simultaneously in Telegram and how to add it. So let's get started with the video. Launch the application and make sure that you're using the updated version. At the upper left corner, you will see three horizontal lines. That is the menu. Click on that. Then click on the arrow that you see on the right side of your name. Here you will get another option of add account. You need to click on this add account. Here you need to choose the country code. Here you need to enter the number and then need to complete the verification. So once you have logged into another Telegram account, how you can switch between the account, you have to again click on three horizontal line at upper right corner. And as you will see here, you will again click on arrow. You will see two accounts here. You have to click on your account if you want to switch to another one, or if you want to switch on another, you can choose vice versa. So this is how you can manage the multiple accounts simultaneously on Telegram. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.